Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. So, are you considering a kitchen renovation? This video is about avoiding costly mistakes and unnecessary stress throughout the process. So, for almost the last 40 years, I've designed almost 350 kitchens. Like anything else that you've done many times, you create a process that works, and then over time, you refine it and streamline it until it makes it even more effective. So as a designer and as a trusted advisor to my clients, my role is not only to assist them in designing their space, but also to help them guide them through the design and the construction process that can be very intimidating and also overwhelming. So a kitchen renovation can be one of the most expensive projects a homeowner will undertake, but if done right, it will also be one of the greatest impacts on your lifestyle. So having a thorough understanding of the process before you begin can save you time, money, and unnecessary stress. That's why I'm sharing this time-tested process of the 22 steps to downsize your stress and upgrade your kitchen design success. If you are contemplating a kitchen remodel, and if you've already decided to do so, check out my 22 steps. It's a free PDF download to learn more about how to navigate the kitchen design and construction process before you begin. And why not just enjoy the journey to a beautiful new kitchen?